All right, to plug into shore power, you're gonna come back here to the back. And lift this up. And you're gonna grab the plug. And we have a few adapters so you can use 30 or 50 amp. Then basically you're gonna come over here. Oh, sorry, not that one. No, what is this one? I missed it. Okay, you're gonna find that. See, it's got three, I don't even know what the names of those things are. And then you're gonna take that end of this, and you see right here where it's got the little notch, you're gonna have to put it on the one that has a notch, which is this one. You can see it. And you just kind of slide it, sort of feel when it clicks. Okay, it's in there like that, and then you're gonna turn it to the right to sort of lock it. It's like micro, it's a micro turn. And then you're gonna plug in whichever side you need, 30 or 50 amp. And then to take it back out, you're gonna turn it to the left, just a little, just a hair, and then pull it out like that. Pretty easy.